bored on a Saturday night. When most people out at the clubs and whatnot kicking, and I'm sitting up here in the crib playing with radios and speakers and whatnot. That's what we got here. We got a CD4000, baby. It's designed in Japan, made in China. Of course, it is the Eclipse radio. It's got a bunch of bells and whistles. The thing that really caught my eye was the 5-volt pre-out. Take that black wire and twist it onto the black wire. Remember? Yep. Twist it around. Only the metal. You only want the metal to touch. Yep, twist it around, metal to metal. Twist it around again until you can't twist it no more. Yep, don't hurt yourself doing it, but you just want to twist it around nice and tight. Yep, let me see. That's a nice connection. That's very nice. I do say so myself. All right, now we just make sure that these connections don't touch each other. And you see how they spaced apart, right? Nothing's touching nothing, right? You got the speakers all wired up. You got yours wired up? The speakers wired up?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see what we have. I'm going to go on. Let's supply power to the line.
No.
Alright. Now remember, we can't bump it. We can't move the radio. We can't do anything. Alright.
Oh, turn on this side.
Let's see. Be cool.
Yeah.
Let's see what we have. I don't know how to work this thing. Let's see. Here, I got the Titan subs wired up to the Eclipse. And we're going to go on and open this thing up.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if the CD will play.
Oh no.
Oh, that sounds horrible.
I thought the bass would pop out.
I don't think that's what it is. We don't have enough power flowing through this
Hello.
bench.
It said hello.
Yeah.
It said hello.
Yeah, not enough. Not enough current.
Not enough. What?
Let's see if I turn it down some, it'll probably work. No? There we go. It was up too high.
Stop recording. It's popping up.
I see it in this song. Let me steady sipping Chris. Always looking nice with some ice on their belly or their wrist.
Whoa, this is rumbling.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so trippy.
Nice radio of its time though. But hey, y'all ever watch these videos on YouTube and y'all just get tired of them commercials that just pop up in the middle of the video, and them commercials be so daggone long you forget what you watching? You ever that ever happen to y'all? Literally, like I was watching some channel, you know, I ain't gonna put them out there, but I'm watching the video, and then the little paid advertisement came in the middle of the video, and shit, I forgot what I was watching after like 20 seconds of watching this advertisement. I thought I clicked on a video for mortgage. I wanted to go and get a mortgage on my house. I mean, damn.